Hello again, everybody. It's me, Eric Blackwelder, the local real estate guide, with an update here for home buyers who are looking to get the best deal in place. When is the best time to get the best deals, the best opportunities in the marketplace? Well, that's on Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday. Why Wednesday or Thursday? Well, typically folks who are going to be putting their houses on the market will meet with the listing agents on, say, Saturday, because the agent wants to be there in the middle of the day with both owners at home and have time to do all the paperwork, and then after that do all the photo shooting and the video shooting and all that kind of stuff to put the house on the market on Monday or Tuesday morning. So all of the new listings hit the marketplace on Monday or Tuesday. So the sharp, smart, savvy buyers are out there on Wednesday and Thursday, because that's when you can get the prime picks in the marketplace. So they're getting houses under contract by Thursday or Friday, which means by Saturday the creme de la creme, the best of the best, is gone, and you're getting a chance, if you want to shop on Saturday or Sunday, well then folks, you're getting a shot at picking over the leftovers. So if you want to get the best deal on the best houses out there, plan to take some time off on Wednesday or Thursday, or take off from work early in the day to take a look at the homes so that you have the best shot of getting the best home in the marketplace. This is Eric, 703-590-2252. It's somewhere here on this blog, or you can email me. My email address is here on the blog. Everybody, good day. Well, let's say